Good morning, guys. This is the current affairs session for 20 October 2019. So, let's start. First one, India Innovation Index 3. India Innovation Index 3 2019 has been released by Niti Aayog on October 17, 2019. And this index highlights that Karnataka is the most innovative state in India. However, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Haryana, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, and Gujarat are among top 10 in the list. And do also note that Delhi and Sikkim have secured top scores among Union Territories and Northeastern Hill State list respectively. So Delhi top among Union Territories and Sikkim top among Northeastern Hill State. Clear? And about Niti Aayog, the Niti Aayog is a policy think tank of the government of India, established with the aim to achieve sustainable development goals with cooperative federalism by fostering the involvement of state governments of India in the economic policy making process using a bottom-up approach. And it was formed on 1st January 2015 and chairperson is Narendra Modi. So about Indian Innovation Index 3 2019, it has been released by Niti Aayog on 17 October and Karnataka is the most innovative state and Delhi top among Union Territories and Sikkim top among Northeastern Hill State. Clear? Second, the first graduate level and research based artificial intelligence AI university in the world was established in UAE, United Arab Emirates. So first university on artificial intelligence, and the name of the university is Mohammed bin Zayed University of Artificial Intelligence. Mohammed bin Zayed University of Artificial Intelligence, in short MBZUAI. And this was established in UAE for the first time, a university which is giving first graduate level and the research based artificial intelligence study courses. Okay. The next, SBI was authorized to issue an encashed electoral bonds through its 29 authorized branches with effect from October 1 to October 10. So, SBI now being authorized to issue an encashed electoral bonds through its 29 authorized branches. And about the electoral bonds, they have been introduced to promote transparency in funding and donations. And these bonds will allow donors to pay political parties using banks, and this electoral bond will not carry the name of the payee. Clear? So guys, if you are really enjoying this current affairs session, if you think that this is going to help you for preparing the upcoming in the competitive examination, then do subscribe to this channel and of course like and share with your friends. Now coming to the static GK portion. So first one, Clark R. Webin Awards. Clark R. Webin Awards are given in the area of wildlife protection. Do remember that sometimes some awards name being given and asked in which area they are being given. Okay, just like this one, Clark R. Webin Awards for wildlife protection. Clear? Next, National Biodiversity Authority is located where? Is located at Chennai. So National Biodiversity Authority is located at Chennai. Then the twinkling of a star is due to atmospheric refraction of starlight. It is frequently asked that why star twinkles. The reason is atmospheric refraction of starlight. The starlight, on entering the Earth's atmosphere, undergoes refraction continuously before it reaches the Earth. Clear? Next, Which state has the largest number of seats reserved for the scheduled tribes in the Lok Sabha? And this is also a very important question. Do remember, Madhya Pradesh has the largest number of seats reserved for scheduled tribes in the Lok Sabha. Okay. Then, forest belongs to which list of 7 schedule of Indian Constitution? You know, we have union list, state list, and concurrent list. Now, forests belong to concurrent list. Remember, forests belong to concurrent list of 7 schedule of Indian Constitution. Sometimes a question is asked like, this list, concurrent list, belongs to which schedule? So this is 7th schedule of Indian Constitution. Okay, and forest belongs to concurrent list. Next, the resolution for removing the Vice President of India can be moved in only Rajya Sabha. Do remember, the resolution of removing the Vice President of India can be moved only in the Rajya Sabha. Next, the famous hill station Kodaikanal lies in Palani Hills. So, Kodaikanal lies in Palani Hills. So, it's Palani. Okay. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are submerged parts of mountain range known as what? Arakan Yoma. So, Arakan Yoma are the mountain range which form this Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Clear? Next, the resolution on fundamental rights and national economic policy were passed in which session of Indian National Congress? So, it is in Karachi 1931 session. The resolution on fundamental rights and national economic policy were passed in Karachi 1931 sessions of Indian National Congress. Then, Swami Vivekananda founded Ramakrishna Mission in 1896 to carry on the humanitarian relief and social work. 2 questions may come. Who founded Ramakrishna Mission? So, Swami Vivekananda founded Ramakrishna Mission. And what was the main purpose of founding this Ramakrishna Mission by Swami Vivekananda? Because to carry on humanitarian relief and social work. So guys, these are the 10 statistics GKs for this season, and from this statistics 10 GKs questions, you will find around 15 to 20 different important questions on general knowledge. Now coming to the current affair, number 4. International Coffee Organization ICO is organizing its 5th edition of World Coffee Conference to be held in India. So, 2 questions. Who is organizing the World Coffee Conference? And this is International Coffee Organization. And where this World Coffee Conference to be held? It is in India. And what edition of this conference is going to be held? This is the 5th edition. Clear? Next, Railways Minister Piyush Goyal recently flagged off 9 trains connecting small towns to major cities. Small towns to major cities. How many trains? 9 trains. Who flagged off this? Piyush Goyal, who is our current railway minister. And most importantly, the name of this particular category of train is Sewa Service. Remember this term, Sewa Service. Okay. Then, India has ranked 82 among the 128 countries surveyed by the Charities Aid Foundation, Charities Aid Foundation, CAF, in the World Giving Index. Okay, then next, Kotak Mahindra Bank launched K-Pay, a fund transfer service for Facebook user. So K-Pay is being launched by Kotak Mahindra Bank, and this is for fund transfer service for Facebook users. And it has a limit of rupees 2,500 per transaction, and it is bank's agnostic payment product for Facebook users to send money to each other. So this K-Pay is just for Facebook users transaction to each other, and maximum limit is 2,500 per transaction. And who launched it? Kotak Mahindra Bank launched it. Okay. Then India recently handed over the second pair of Mi-24V helicopters to Afghanistan. So Mi-24V helicopters being handed over to Afghanistan by India. Next, Jennifer Aniston. Well, this is Jennifer Aniston, and this actress rapidly set a new record for the fastest time to reach 1 million followers in just 5 hours and 60 minutes on Instagram. So she has set one new record, and what is that? The record for the fastest time to reach 1 million followers in just only 5 hours and 16 minutes on Instagram. Okay, Jennifer Aniston. Then today's last current affair is Union Minister of State Independent Church for Tourism and Culture Prahlad Singh Patel inaugurated Shirui Lily Festival. Shirui Lily Festival 2019 at Shirui Bangayan ground of Ukhrul in Manipur. So very important point is that this Shirui Lily Festival is conducted in which state? This is Shirui Lily Festival is conducted in Manipur, and who inaugurated this festival? Union Minister of State for Tourism and Culture, that is Prahlad Singh Patel. Well guys, these are the most important current affairs for today. And now, so today's question from last class, and today's question is Indian Air Force and Royal Air Force of Oman begins a joint exercise whose name is, first option, X Eastern Bridge 4, option B, X Eastern Bridge 5, option C, X Eastern Bridge 6, and last option, D option, X Eastern Bridge 7. So guys, comment your answer and I will of course respond to this comment. So we'll meet tomorrow in the next lecture, and till then take care, bye bye, and of course have a nice day.